Yo, you gotta take up at least 3 parking spaces, man. At least.
That's for challengers only.
Happy birthday to you. Holy Maloney, this thing's not overheating, eh?
No, made sure I had fuel today too.
What?
Right
did you put 91?
Oh God, no.
Started your own car, bro.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
Just checking out the heavy. My key didn't work in your thing, so I just took your key.
You're very forward, man. You're very forward.
Oh, I don't know. What am I gonna do? Break it?
Probably. It's
About a 5-inch tip.
This guy. Yep. Holy shit, that's not bad. That's not bad. Damn, bro.
not bad for a welfare wagon.
Where's Da Vinci?
They're actually pretty freaking big. That's off a Nissan Titan. Wow. That's crazy.
Not bad, Jonathan.
Vent holes for extra performance?
Speed holes.
Wow.
This thing's odd, actually.
Is it?
Probably just a black hood, you know.
Oh, it's taped
They're
shut.
wired shut.
Holy f, is there a Hemi in there? No, it's a V6.
Nope, some junk 3.5. But this one's not running it, so it's a fuck of a lot better than that.
Wow. Whoa.
Yeah, that's insane. It's gotten over.
Oh. All right. Okay. What we got here?
That's the fuel pump switch there.
Nice.
Classy.
Where's Maloney? All right. Right?
Right? Boy, dude.
So we got our payloaders, we got a fork loader, we got a Minneapolis Moline with the chains on it.
Steve. This is Steve's turd.
Third boy. What's up, buddy?
I don't know why anyone else didn't, but like, yeah.
All right, so
If I wore a safety vest, one of those, I could go right in the middle.
No, I'm media.
Media,
yeah, exactly.
It's a Kia Jeep. Number William, number 66, Kirsten Maloney. Also from William, number 99, Jordan Maloney. Okay, all eyes on the official. All right, let's go. Real live this time from 5, 4. Derby guys, thank you. That's good to start them off. Okay, a little bit of a kiss again. Kiss in a roundabout here. Good, looks like number 37, Kenny Taylor, is going to get rolled up. Oh, goes in number 37, Kenny. Oh, just kisses about that. Jonathan Maloney. Yeah, the maloneys. Get ready, coming up here. Now it's going to be number 37, Kenny Taylor from Summers. Yeah, back to number 99, just misses. Back in the full size. 66, Jonathan Maloney from Morelia. Getting in lined up, and we go back to back. 37. Someone gave him a Red Bull and an energy all in one. Yeah. Kenny again going back. He's going, oh, just this. Yeah, 66. Good timing out here by Kirsten Maloney. Amy again can't see through the back end, but she's got lined up. She was number 99, Jonathan Maloney. There's number 37. Take the pass for the Kirsten Maloney, number 66. Yeah, but Taylor comes in. Kenny Taylor. Back up. He's rolling around. He's going up to number 69 at full horse. Well, he's going to the corner. Amy is good. Trying to miss up. There's number 69. Hitting the back end of Amy's car. Oh, just missed. Jonathan Maloney. Just missed Amy cars. Just takes into number 37, Kenny Taylor. Okay, we're watching Kirsten. Kirsten out of it, they're counting Kirsten's card. She's hitting on the side. That's Amy hitting the back end of Kirsten. Nope, she's got to go and she's running. But again, she's got to get a hit. That's number 66, Kirsten Maloney from Aurelia. Yeah, Kirsten Maloney, waiting for someone. She's on the track. Here's number 66. Head to head, 99. They're on the top of the front end for Amy. 69, 37. 99, Jonathan Maloney. Yeah, Kenny Taylor, that's number 69 back in it on the full horn, the full horn. 37 coming on the front end, his both cars. 99's got to get a hit in here, Jonathan Maloney. Jonathan, you're counting on him. You got to get a hit in here, Jonathan. He's dragging the front end. Then, 69 gave a little bit of top. 54, Amy's going to give a bigger top. 99, it looks like Jonathan might be again, he's got it. Yeah, 99, that's your Amy's coming. There we go, number 60 is Kirsten Maloney. Then he's shoved in number 37. Oh, he's down. Dan, he's coming up. That was still Kirsten Maloney. Number 54, Amy. Yeah, number 99 is up. 99 is out. So we're down to 4, down to 4. Yeah, Kenny, get it fired up. Kenny. Yeah, he's been counted. Amy, head to head. Then here number 69, the bullhorn. Then number 37, he didn't get it going. He's trying. 37 is out. 37, looks like he's out. We're down to 3. We're down to 3 and around. We got the merry-go-round. 69, the bullhorn. Number 66, Kirsten Maloney. Number 54, Amy Patton. Our 3 ladies are left. Amy again getting hit. Dead hard. There's number 66, Kirsten Maloney from Aurelia. She's getting hit the back end again from the bullhorn. Amy's getting back up. She's going to go on the backside of the corn. She's going to push her all the way around. Number 66, Maloney gets it on to both cars. Amy trying to get it fired up. Uh-oh, she's trying. There it is. Amy's fired up. Kirsten trying to push her on the side. Car number 54. Amy Patton gets up for a hit. There it is. It's Kirsten Maloney. Puts the turn to the box. 69, the bullhorn. Pushes Amy Patton. Amy's right in the middle. Trying to get her way up in the middle. She's powered about there. The bullhorn from Aurelia. Then, Kirsten's got problems. She's locked in. She's locked into the blocks. Head to head. The bullhorn and Amy Patton. Kirsten Maloney is back up. Kirsten's back up. She's got to get a hit. Though. Then Amy Patton just misses out here. 69, again, Nicole Horn. She's trying to get it fired up. They're being counted. Nicole's got to get it fired up. Then here we go, 66, and front to back. Kirsten Maloney. Amy, she's the only one running. Road check. She's checked. Amy is still being going down. Amy's going to hit Kirsten Maloney, just be on the safe side. 69 still being counted. 69 the bullhorn. Our 3 ladies are in the top 3 right now. Amy might be the only one left running. Lot to say. Both being counted again. 69. The bullhorn is counted out. The bull is out. It's 66. Kirsten, and she's going to fire it up. She's trying all the electronics. Can't get a switch. Amy sitting out